What's going on, guys? Samuel Bouret here for AdoramaTV, and today we're going to shoot a music video using the Canon C70 and the Zeiss Milvus line prime lenses. For those of you that don't know me, I shot the entire series of Street Studio with V-Fly World and Adorama. I'm usually behind the camera, but today I'm in front of the camera. It's a kind of a different experience, but let's see what we do. All right, so here we are, C70, Canon C70, the cinema line. For lenses, we're using the Zeiss Milvus Super Speeds. These are all manual focus lenses. They have a 1.4 aperture, and these are the EF mount versions. I'm also gonna be using the Canon EF to EOS R mount adapter, allowing you to use your EF lenses on an RF body and maintaining a full frame angle of view even on a Super 35 format. So what we're gonna do is we have the follow focus here. We got the Nucleus-N. We got lovely Carmen here. She's gonna be follow focusing. She's gonna be paying attention to this green little dot here, making sure that he stays in focus. As a key light, I'm going to be using the Westcott Flex Cine LED panels. These are the 1x2 bicolor ones. And I'm going to be using a Westcott Scrim, the 4x4, to soften the light a little bit. And this is just exposing the incredible artist, Chris, right there. That's Chris. Say hi, Chris, to the camera. Talented artist, talented model. He got great music. I'm so happy that the universe put us together because now we're about to make some magic, right? All right, so let's shoot this first scene. It's gonna be a wide shot, then we're gonna move to the 85 and shoot a close-up. So let's start. All right, so we took the 25 off. We put the 85 Milvus 1.42, and we're just gonna get close-up of Chris Watson. And yeah, let's get this scene on the road. Ready? All right, so we're still shooting with the 85. Something cool about the C70, if you get closer here, it's on manual focus because these lenses are only manual, but it still focuses on his eye, like it follows him. It always locks on his eyes. I love this look, so let's shoot this scene. Let's see how it comes out. So we threw the C70 on the DJI Ronin RS2. I have the 25mm lens on here. This is where Carmen really has to put her expertise because she's gonna have to follow focus while I move with the gimbal, trying to get the right shot. So we found this cool projector here in the studio that's projecting this water. If you focus on him now, let me turn this off so you can see what's going on. That's a pretty trippy, pretty cool little effect. Let's shoot this. All right, so we creating this trippy effect here with a kaleidoscope. Chris actually showed me how to say that word. So I've been practicing to say it correctly. So what we do is we throw this in front of the lens, and then if you look at the monitor and you twist it, it does this trippy, cool effect. Another thing, I have a flare effect on it too. Not effect, but what do you call that? Yeah, let's get this shot. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. So take a look at this shot right here. So I love how the spotlight is hitting him with the backlight red. Just makes it look epic, especially with the fog going. So we got the gimbal right here down. And we threw on the 25 again. I don't know why, I just love this lens today. And it just looks epic, man. We're gonna do some slow-mo with him and also do 24 frames. And another epic shot for today. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the C70 and the Zeiss lenses together. I think we got some great shots. Don't forget to subscribe to AdoramaTV, and I'll catch you next time.
There's an undiscovered river flowing, and it's waiting to carry me away. And if I keep searching for this river, then maybe it'll float right your way. Out there, and it's deeper than any